Just an update, just showing off my light. That's the actual $10 light strip that I bought from Amazon. It's connected, it's got brake, it's got run, turn, and hazard. I have the custom dynamics light right here that I just got, and that sucker is bright too. So love the new customs dynamics additions to the bike there and down there. Love it. So let me turn on the blinkers and hazards and stuff. So as you can see, this thing is lit up pretty well. And initially I had that one light that's right there. I had it under here, and that was kind of cheesy. So I kind of like the way it is now, and definitely more visible.